It's fixed and ready to fly again. Yesterday flew this literally right there. Actually, there's a broken propeller port right there, so that's where she landed. I snapped the wings off, but stayed up last night, laminated it all, epoxied it all, pinned it all. Should work. If I can figure out how to do it, I'll put a clip of that losing its wings right here. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Wow, that just happened. I hope it's on video. I hope that's on the right angle. I just banged it. So this is gonna be like a maiden kind of redemption flight. I don't know. See what happens flight. Looks good. Yeah, that's what I tried to do last time. Seems to be working fine. Came down like this and went. Tried to do that. Oh, we lost the canopy. It's not a big deal. Battery strapped in good. I can see exactly where that canopy went. I'm gonna bring it around. Worked. All right. So it works. Wing stayed on. Canopy didn't. Canopy's over there. All right. So I'm just gonna end the video short, I guess. So she seems to be fixed. We'll fly that next. All right, ciao for now.